B64W 4x2 Matic Turbo Aircon. Price nito umabot ng 300.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking up, cooking the hot bar, fucking on your bitch, yeah, that, looking up over the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't trust nobody, quick the trigger. All of the gang and they come and get gang. I mean, you never give you a touch. Bad and bullshit, cooking up with a booze. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got cutters and 100 rocks too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, cooking up with a booze. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got cutters and 100 rocks too.
What's up? Magandang hapon sa ating lahat. This is Papoy G. So once again mga Janay, meron tayong bagong i-release ngayon. So i-flex natin kung magkano yung unit, i-flex natin kung ano yung additional na bayan, tapos iisahin natin kung ano yung pinaka-PMS ng unit natin. So guys, this is B64W 4x2 Aircon Matic. Turbo yung unit natin, tapos naka-Gen I sit up. Same time, the color of the unit is Raptor Gray. So, kasi guys, very basic lang na dyan ay yung setup ng client natin. Hindi siya gaano maraming additional, but kurmadong-kurmado yung unit niya. Actually, this unit will be bound to couple. So, the unit is Raptor Gray. Yung kulay natin, ng unit natin. Tapos, ano guys, naka 15 inches trim siya by MMD. So, yung MMD, yung supplier namin. Tapos, nag-additional din yung ganyan. Aside na nag-additional siya ng 15 inches rims kasi pag 15 inches rims ka, additional yan. Yung basic setup natin, 13 inches rims lang yung kasama. But, pag 15 inches rims, upgrade yan ng client. Tapos, ito nag-additional din siya ng chrome side mirror with signal light. Side natin. Tapos ano, ito, Gen I bumper, additional yan ng client natin. Pag Gen I bumper, full set, automatic yan, may skirt at spoiler. So, check natin yung upholstery sa loob guys. So, sa unit natin, as usual, yung client yung mag-choose ng color and style ng upholstery. Tapos kami lang yung magagawa. So ito, kita natin sa loob, naka VIP ceiling. Pag sinabi nating VIP ceiling, additional yan ng client. So, kasi yung kasama na natin, ceiling, the other one is yung parang carpet lang siya, but bago yung nilagay natin. Sa basic setup natin, kasama na yan yung carpet ceiling natin. Check natin dito sa loob, yung functionalities niya. Ito, the power window, check natin. Yung side mirror, yung folding niya. Okay. Yung second door, okay. Tapos sa basic setup natin guys, kasama sa basic setup natin is yung dashcam at ito na stereo. Actually hindi madaming additional yung client, very basic na talaga. Ang na-add lang yung bumper ng Gen I, 15 inches rims, tapos yung chrome side mirror at saka ceiling. Minimal lang talaga yung additional na client. So ganito na unit natin, meron tong backing camera din. Merong backing camera yan. Tapos yung aircon natin, wiper, functional. Tapos yung likod naman, i-check natin yung likod. Yung Gen I rear bumper natin guys. Tapos sporty spoiler. Minimal. Very basic na basic talaga yung setup. But ano, sa loob makikita nyo very maliwalas talaga, malaki yung space. So sa unit natin, guys, ano guys, naka-PMS yung unit natin. Usual na ni-replace namin, ETF, oil, cleaning din kami sa ETF namin, yung strainer at saka solenoid. Tapos ang oil, bago oil filter. Tapos yung mga air filter, bago din yan. Spark plug, bago. And tapos yung brake pad natin, sine-check natin. If we need to replace, check namin, okay pa. Kasi mas maganda talaga pag genuine galing Japan. Dito, i-check natin yung other side. Spacious talaga ng itong mga unit na ganito guys. Tapos mapufold pa. Dito naman, i-check natin yung engine. Kasi nag-i-engine detailing kami bago namin i-release yung unit. So naka-engine detail yan. So guys, sa nagtatanong dyan, yung basic setup namin ngayon nasa 300,000 pag 4x4, pag 4x2 295 sa Wago. Tapos sa V 240 basic setup namin. Sa amin lang guys, pag meron concern, just PM us directly. Tapos guys, ito yan, huwag taasan yung expectation nyo kasi surplus yung unit natin, hindi yan brand new. So from time to time, meron talagang masisira, lalo na pag ginagamit natin yung unit. Kasi in short guys, sikanhan yung unit natin at di natin alam paano yan ginamit sa Japan. So sa atin lang guys, nire-rig po natin yung unit, but as what I've said, don't expect too much. So ulitin ko, yung unit is D64W 4x2 Matic Turbo aircon. Tapos hindi to ganyo, surplus, nire-rig ko ng GNI, and then yung full price nito umabot ng 332,000. So biyahing Bohol to. Guys, don't forget to like our YouTube channel and Facebook page, GNI Auto World Cebu. Salamat po sa pagtitiwala ng GNI. We're hoping na maging smooth na ng ano natin sa mga unit natin. Thank you.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking up, looking the hot bar, fucking on your bitch, yeah, that, looking up over the crock pot, we came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't trust nobody, quick the trigger, all of the gang and they come and get gang. I mean, you never get you with my shit, bad and bullshit, cooking up with a